Hello, it is time for some math. Now, if you remember last week, we did an activity called the Giraffe Ordinal Numbers Worksheet. Okay, so this is going to be using those ordinal number words. We are putting the words and the things in order by using numbers and number words to name them in their order. Okay, so this one calls it something different. It calls it the position. Let's learn about positions. So they're talking about the position that each of these things are in line, okay? But they are the same ordinal numbers that we used last week, okay? So our instructions say, color the first thing in each set blue. So each line is a set. We have a set of bears, we have a set of backpacks, we have a set of owls, and we have a set of trees. So a set, just to remind you, is a group of things that they have put together, okay? A set of something. All right, so in each set, we're going to look at the first thing. And if we remember, the first thing is always the number one position in line. So it tells me color the first thing in each set blue. So even if we say, what? I have to make a blue bear? I got to do it because that's what my directions say. So my first bear is going to be blue. My first backpack is going to be blue. And that's not so unusual because backpacks can definitely be blue. My first owl can be blue, and that's a little weird. I don't think I've ever seen a blue owl. And my first tree is blue, and usually we don't see blue trees either, but we're following directions. That's what it says to do, so that's what we're going to do because we always follow the directions. Okay, number 2 says color the second thing in each set red. So this is the first item in each set. So right after that, we find the second item, okay? So the second item in each row is going to be red. So I'm going to do the same thing, and I am doing mine very quickly so that we can make it to the end and I can show you how to do it, and you can take a little bit more time with yours. Okay, so my first bear, my second bear. First backpack, second backpack. Gotta be red. That's what they told me to do. Okay. My second owl is red. And my second tree is red. Okay. Good deal. All right, now we have our first thing, our second thing. We're going to go on to our third item. Our third item is the number 3 item in each set. And it says, color the third thing in each set yellow. All right, so here comes another crazy colored bear, a yellow bear. Even though bears aren't usually yellow, maybe a stuffed animal bear, but a real bear is not yellow. All right, yellow backpack. A yellow owl, and a yellow tree. All of those things are in the third position, the third spot. First, second, third. What comes next? What is the number 4 position called? It's even in the name. Fourth. The fourth position. Okay, and it says color the fourth thing in each set orange. So here comes my orange bear. And my orange backpack. And my orange owl. And my orange tree. All of those colored orange are the fourth in line, the fourth position. Okay, and last but not least in this row or set, it says color the fifth thing in each set green. first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So our last item that we have left is green. And here comes my backpack in the number 5 position, the 5th position. And whoa, this green is a little slippery here. My green owl. And finally, something that is matching in color, a green tree. Except for the backpacks, they could be any color. That makes more sense, but the green tree is the best one. Okay, so we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. You know what I'm going to do? I am going to write the numbers that match those ordinal words, those ordinal number words. So I'm going to write on each thing what its number place is, okay? And it's a good practice for us to write our numbers, and then plus it helps us remember which number goes with each word. Okay, so first means 1. So I'm going to make a 1 on every first item. Okay. Second means 2. So I'm going to make a 2. And I apologize if you can't see these real great. I'm trying to write over that color there. Doing the best I can. You can just do it with pencil or a darker crayon, whatever you want to. Okay. My number 3 is the 3rd position. That goes with the 3. My number 4 item is the 4th position, number 4. So let me write that number 4 all the way down. And my very last one in this set is the number 5 position. It is 5th. And there we have it. Our ordinal words matched up with their numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and we followed our directions just like we should. All right, have a good time.